So I found this coin at my wife's parents' house. It's a 1965 Canadian silver dollar. And I thought it was really cool. It's got these two guys canoeing. But as you can see, it's got a lot of grit and grime and tarnish. This coin is from 1965, so it's not in the best shape in terms of the luster and the shine. On the flip side, you can see it's got Queen Elizabeth II. But so it's pretty dirty. And I thought, you know what? This coin is so cool. And so I thought, let me borrow this coin and let me see if we can shine it up and get it looking as good as it can look. So today we're going to shine this coin up. We're going to restore this silver. And what we do today, you can do it with silverware or jewelry or anything like that. It all sort of works the same. So we'll take a bowl and I'm going to line this with tinfoil, shiny side up. You just want to make sure that the bowl is completely covered. And in there, we're going to put some baking soda. I read online that you can use about a teaspoon, but I just did it by eye. Then I'll put the coin on top, and I'm going to add just a bit more. And then from there, you want to add some hot water. So I'm just adding some water from a kettle that just finished boiling. And right away, you're going to see that kind of reaction that hot water and baking soda have. It's just going to start fizzing and bubbling. So I let this sit for about a minute. And then I'm just carefully taking it out. If you use the boiling water, the coin's going to be really hot, so just be careful. And at this point, I'm just going to gently rub the coin just to help get that kind of grit off and the tarnish. Now I'm putting it back in, flip the coin over so the queen side is up. I'm just going to add a little bit more baking soda and some more hot water. You know, depending on what you're cleaning, depending on how tarnished it is, you might have to repeat this process a few times. So I've let this sit for probably another minute or so as well. And now I'm just going to do the same sort of thing on this side. I'm just going to massage it a bit and try to, help release that grime and grit that's been accumulating for all those years. Now at this point I was starting to see some really good results, and I just wanted to just do a final kind of rub down of the coin and just make sure I got all the little areas. And then from there you want to just rinse your item in cold water. So I have a bowl of cold water here. So look at the difference, guys. Look at this coin now. This thing was all tarnished and ugly. Look at this thing. It just looks unbelievable. Unbelievable. And it was so easy. Holy cow. I was blown away. It was so easy to do. I was shocked at how good it looked. Look at this thing. And if you compare it, like if we were to compare it to what it was before, look at that. And then look at that. It looks brand new. It's unbelievable. And the queen side, here's the before. And then the after. Just night and day. I can't wait to bring this coin back to my wife's parents' house and show them this coin brought back to life. It was really fun and, like I said, really easy. And I hope you guys try it. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'd be happy to respond. Take care. I'll see you next time.